In this video, I'm showing you how to make this beautiful giant cupcake. Hey guys, this is Veronica from BehindTheCake.com, and let's start with this cupcake. Okay, to build up the bottom part of the cupcake, we need 3 layers of cake and 2 of buttercream filling. Let's start carving from the top. The top has to be about 2 inches smaller in diameter than the bottom of the cake. You can also use a smaller cardboard on top, so you can use it as a guide. Just make sure you cut all around and it's like a slope. Let's add the first layer of buttercream. This is called the crumb coat. Then we're gonna put it on the fridge, and this is gonna help us with the crumbs. They get sealed with the buttercream, so we don't have to mess with them later on. For the top part of the cupcake, I'm using a half ball cake, crumb coated with buttercream, and put it on the fridge to harden up. Add the second layer of buttercream and smooth it out. I did not use a lot of buttercream, but you can definitely add more buttercream to your cake. Pop it back in the fridge to chill for 5 minutes. Do the same for the top part of the cupcake, and at the tip, instead of rounding it off, try to make it like a little hill, kind of like more pointy. Here I'm cutting a cardboard to the diameter of the top of the cake. Place it on top and turn the cake upside down. Make sure your cake is level and put it to the side while we roll out a strip of fondant to wrap it around. Use some cornstarch underneath the fondant so this won't stick to the mat, and get rid of any air bubbles. Wrap the fondant around the cake, letting the strip ends overlap to cut the excess and get a clean cut to smooth out. Cut the excess of fondant at the top and bottom of the cake. Turn the cake upside down and continue smoothing out. Get rid of any air pockets by pulling the fondant back just a little bit to release any air trapped, and smooth again. Remove the top cardboard to insert the support dowels or bubble straws as I used here. Put the cardboard back, add some buttercream, and we're gonna add the top of the cupcake. Secure both cakes with a center dowel. This is gonna help us so the cake doesn't move or tilt. With the tip number 1M, I'm gonna start doing rosettes all around the top of the cake, covering the seam between the bottom and the top of the cupcake. The second row of rosettes are piped in between the rosettes we piped previously. Keep on piping until you have all the top covered with the rosettes, and if you have any parts that need a little bit more of frosting, just pipe like a little start and that should take care of it. Now that it's all covered with the buttercream, just put it in the fridge and you can start adding sprinkles or whatever other decorations you want to put on top. Join the Facebook group where we share tips, tricks, and more cake decorating tutorials from very talented cakers. The link is in the description box below, as well as the website link. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe for more videos like this one every single week. Thank you, and I will see you next time. Bye!